I'm Roger Williams. Welcome to my fire. I understand that you have a question for me today.
Roger, what did you eat on the boat coming over?
Ah, all food on board the boat must be either dried, smoked, or salted, and stored away in wooden barrels. Now, as far as dried food, there is dried peas, and there are also what they call ship's biscuits, which are hard. You may call them bread, but they're not. They are biscuits that are literally hard as rocks that must be softened by soaking them in something first. There is dried beef and there is dried pork. And there's also salted beef. There's smoked beef. These peas, the salted and dried meats, and these ship's biscuits, and also some beer and ale are what we had for provisions to get across this grand ocean. Now, mind you, after being knocked about by several storms and waves come washing over the ship and getting down to where the food is stored, quite often the food had gone bad. But that's all we had. Now also, mind you, the rats get into the biscuits. So they are fewer than you might wish. All in all, the food on board ship after a month is not too appetizing.